Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a critical topic that might sound straight out of a sci-fi movie but is very real: planetary defense. Yes, you heard that right. NASA recently conducted its 5th biennial Planetary Defense Interagency Tabletop exercise, and it's all about preparing for the possibility of an asteroid or comet impact on Earth. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and how these exercises are shaping our future defense strategies against celestial threats. Welcome to Trendstorm. Chapter 1. What is the Planetary Defense Exercise? So, what exactly is this exercise all about? Organized by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office in partnership with FEMA, the U.S. Department of State Office of Space Affairs, and other agencies, this tabletop exercise is designed to evaluate how prepared we are as a nation, and globally, to respond to potential asteroid or comet impacts. Even though there's no known threat heading our way right now, these hypothetical scenarios are crucial for testing our readiness and refining our response strategies. Chapter 2. Exploring Hypothetical Impact Scenarios. During the exercise, participants were presented with various hypothetical scenarios, ranging from minor regional damage to potential global catastrophes. These scenarios were not just about predicting the impact, but also about understanding the risks, exploring response options, and figuring out how different agencies and countries can collaborate in such a crisis. One of the key points raised was the importance of being able to predict and act on these threats years, or even decades, in advance, a unique challenge compared to other natural disasters. Chapter 3. Challenges in Detection and Response. One of the scenarios imagined a situation where a previously undetected asteroid was discovered with a 72% chance of hitting Earth in 14 years. The catch? Initial observations weren't enough to determine its size, composition, or exact trajectory. And to make things even more complicated, follow-up observations had to be delayed for 7 months because the asteroid was passing behind the Sun. This scenario highlighted how crucial time is in planetary defense and the challenges we face in both detecting and responding to these threats. Chapter 4. Advancements in Asteroid Deflection Technologies. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: how we might actually stop an asteroid from hitting Earth. This exercise was the first to incorporate data from NASA's DART mission. DART, which stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, made history by demonstrating that we can change the trajectory of an asteroid through a kinetic impact. The DART spacecraft successfully collided with the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos in September 2022, proving that this method could potentially be used to deflect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. But, as the exercise showed, applying such a technology in real life would require many years of advanced planning and preparation. Chapter 5. Continuing Development of Detection Technologies. To make sure we have enough time to respond to potential threats, NASA is also working on the NEO Surveyor mission. This infrared space telescope, set to launch in 2028, will be specifically designed to discover and characterize near-Earth objects that could pose a threat to our planet. By improving our ability to detect these objects early, we can buy ourselves the time needed to develop and implement effective defense strategies. Chapter 6. Future Directions for Planetary Defense. So, what's next? NASA will be publishing a complete after-action report from this exercise, which will detail the strengths and gaps identified in our current planetary defense strategies. This report will help shape future exercises and studies, ensuring that NASA and other agencies continue to improve our preparedness for any potential celestial threats. In summary, while an asteroid impact might seem like a far-off possibility, exercises like this one are crucial for ensuring that we're prepared for whatever the universe might throw at us. It's a reminder that planetary defense isn't just science fiction. It's a real and necessary part of our global safety strategy. Source: NASA. What do you think about NASA's planetary defense efforts? Do you feel more reassured knowing that steps are being taken to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in science, space, and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.